worried about who might be peeking at your private conversations? Let's make sure only you can access your Messenger account. Logging out of Facebook Messenger is a crucial step to protect your privacy and security across all your devices, preventing unauthorized access to your messages and personal information. First, on your mobile device, open the Messenger app, tap on your profile picture or the menu icon. Usually found in the top left corner, this will take you to the settings menu. Scroll down until you find Account Settings or a similar option related to your privacy and security. Tap on that to proceed. Within the account settings, look for a section labeled Security and Login or Login Sessions. This is where you'll manage all the active places your account is logged in. Here, you'll see a list of all the devices where your Messenger account is currently active, along with their last known location to log out. Find the specific device session you want to end. Tap on the Log Out button or option associated with that particular device. A confirmation prompt might appear. Confirm that you want to log out from that session. This ensures that even if you left your account logged in on a public computer or a friend's phone, you can remotely disconnect it, securing your data. Now, let's cover logging out from a web browser on your computer. Go to Facebook.com or Messenger.com in your web browser. Click on your profile picture or the down arrow in the top right corner of the Facebook page. This will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Log Out. This will sign you out of Facebook and subsequently Messenger if you were using it through Facebook. Alternatively, if you are on the Messenger website, look for your profile picture or the gear icon, which often leads to settings there. You should find a Log Out option. By regularly logging out from devices you no longer use, you significantly enhance your account security and maintain control over your personal information. Stay safe online by staying logged out.